Hey guys, welcome to Cryptalina channel, and today we continue to discuss what is happening on the price of the Bitcoin chart right now. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and my Telegram group, so let's get started. So today I will explain to you why in the short term I expect Bitcoin to be slightly lower in the short term on local time frames. So watch this video till the end and you will learn a lot of useful information. So traders, let's switch to the 4-hour time frame. Here I'm talking about the fact that a certain figure emerged. The figure is called a diamond. It can form both in a falling and in a rising market. And locally now on 4-hour time frames and everything inside is a growing market. A growing diamond pattern usually breaks down. The target of this pattern is the green area, which I have marked here. This also coincides with our Fibonacci strategy. We will talk about it a little bit later. So the nearest target we have on the local correction is $23,900, $24,500, and this is even the nearest zone of support for a strong one. Here the price slowed down. Here in this area it slowed down. It didn't grow and traded. This is a strong accumulation zone. So since February 16th, Bitcoin has been trading in this zone for quite a long time. After that, the price went down. So let's see if the pattern works on $23,945, $24,925, where we can wait for Bitcoin on 4-hour time frames. So I'm not going to go short yet, although I don't like what is happening with Bitcoin on local time frames. So let's move on to the 4-hour time frame. There is a rather bearish local picture here. We have a rounding of this range. Also we can see lower highs and lower lows. You can see that the lows are getting lower, and for now we are testing this zone, $26,181. This is the support zone. If we go below it, then we can potentially have an 8.4% short trade, which you can open on the BYBIT cryptocurrency exchange. With the 10s leverage, you can take up to 84% of the profit. If you enter this trade on the BYBIT cryptocurrency exchange, it might look like this. So I would put a stop loss at 1.81%, and take profit would be made here. Risk reward ratio 4.85. On the breakout retest, I would take this trade. I would take it about here, and here is a possible trade. Again, I tell you that it's very risky and it's short term. I try not to take short trades, at least in the video. I'm not talking about short trades. I'm only talking about the most confident trades that are doing great with us, and you can check this on my account on BYBIT, where my trades are now in a huge profit. Also a realized P&L that I captured and that you see on your screens. So all these trades can be taken on the BYBIT cryptocurrency exchange. I remind you that right now I have an excellent promotion exclusively with the BYBIT cryptocurrency exchange. You can use special bonuses and preferences only for you. And if you want to take as many bonuses from me as possible, use my referral link in the description or in the first pinned comment. If you want to open the same trades as I did, you should definitely register on BYBIT using my link, which will be in the description or in the first pinned comment. I will remind you once again that right now you can claim up to 5,000 bonus on BYBIT. All you have to do is make a registration and make your first deposit. If BYBIT is not available in your country, then I have a good alternative. This is BitGet. It's available for all users, and right now there is a spin like a wheel. You can win Bitcoin, artificial intelligence tokens, and many other prizes. So follow the link in the description and get your bonuses. So let's move on to another 4-hour time frame. This is the Fibonacci grid. As you can see, the nearest target on this grid is $24,600, $23,481. This is a great zone from which I would open long positions with a minimum target of $35,323. You can earn up to 48% on this trade on spot, and if you don't want to open a margin position, then you can wait for the target of $24,600, $23,400 if we are given these prices and buy Bitcoin on the spot. You can also put a stop on the spot at a 10% loss, around $21,354, $21,050, approximately in this range. Put a stop. Potentially this is very good trade that can bring up to 50% profit. Imagine if you take this trade with 10 leverage, then you can take as much as $480 80% of the profit. So that is, if you go long for $1,000 and make 10 leverage, then you can take up to 5-6% profit just with a trade with 10 leverage, and that is $1,000 is quite a risk to turn into $5,000 or $6,000. So traders, of course, this is not a financial recommendation, it's simply forbidden to give them, and locally here I'm going to open a trade if we come here and I talk about it. So let's look at the bearish moves we have, so as not to be all up traders. On the daily chart, the MACD I has already shown you several times, but I will show you again. A bad signal is emerging on the MACD, which shows that we can go for a correction in the near future. We are waiting for this correction. So far I don't see any growth from the current values. Maybe locally somewhere we will come for an additional retest of $28,645, but I don't expect this yet. I still think we will go for a correction, and after that we will come to $35,000. So we see the intersection of the moving average, the blue crosses the orange moving average, and this usually works out in the fall of the market. So you see here we had a similar signal, and after that we went into a correction as much as 20%, and right now we can also expect something similar, crossing of the lines, and after that correction by 11%. So far I expect approximately the same figures, a correction to the region of a maximum of 18% is $24,000. So not a bad correction to continue up to $36,000, possibly $40,000 by May. It will be natural and organic growth without various manipulations. If there are manipulations, you can cancel all this. This happens in the market. We can then go higher from the current values if manipulation occurs. But if we now look at the facts that we have, then we can go higher only through a correction. So we also see some kind of bull flag here. Globally, there is a bullish flag on the daily chart, and the bull flag target could be in the $37,000 range, which is also in line with our Fibonacci grid. This bullish flag can make a big fake out, then move back into the range and go higher. But this is quite a lot for such a fake out. When we not reach the zone of interest that we currently have, we make a $25,000 fake out, recover quickly, and walk away with $35,000. So far, I don't advise opening short positions, only if locally with a very small stop, what I just showed you on the 4-hour time frame. And here on this chart showed you that you can open a position from this support line if we break it. If we break through it and do a retest, you can open a short position. But always be prepared that such trades are often stopped out. You can make a breakout, you enter a trade and get stopped out, and then the price goes down without you. And this is roughly what we can expect. Thank you for watching. What do you think about this? Write your opinion in the comments. I hope you like this video and my update. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and Telegram group, and also don't forget to put comments with your opinion. Thank you for watching. Bye.